No, he said it's almost taking some weeks. Are you money manema? What do you say? Why not? I'm playing. When I'm saying the truth, I'm not afraid. Yeah. Abusuapanyin.
Go by the name Flamboyant Lifestyle. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be the first person to watch. Daddy Lumba's Abusuapanyin is in the news, and Daddy Lumba's sister, Justina, is also in the news. And today it's all about joy, and it's all about peace. That's what we've lasted for. What really happened? Daddy Lumba Abusuapanyin and Daddy Lumba's sister appeared in Manhyia, in which the way it was very lovely over there. Daddy Lumba's Abusuapanyin was kissing and giving peck to the family members and also Daddy Lumba's sister. And right now, peace has prevailed. Because the woman said something when they went to the court. The woman was trying to let the Abusuapanyin understand that if they don't sit down and talk about Daddy Lumba's funeral, she swears by Otumfo's throne, something might happen.
So what do we suck at us? No, now my ass and Cassa. What
in which Otumfo heard it, and Otumfo gave fervent warning.
Who didn't say what the momentum one, no mamma Santi Major, Minyadi, Bedimadi. Nano, who can know I can walk. So, what's the second and Sabe your man Lord John Master to mention I Mother Medina to be by. I hear the prison.
And right now, everything has come down. And right now, we know that our legend, Daddy Lumba, is going to be buried. At long last, the battle has ended. From the social media round, from interview, insult on Abusuapanyin.
Semi oba waka se me oba me ba no. Me be menti na mo fast. Yeah, me mpene. And yes, omo force kura na omo sie kura na aye mpene. Yeah.
It is almost force you na anya dia obeko.
No, me nkobi. Because the kwan a omo de me fast kura no enye fe. Could you believe say e kwa Accra? E kwa Accra, I don't know. E kwa Accra no. Omo kwake body no, me ti ho omo amfre me.
When ko he body no man.
Abusuapanyin ene onua ba ko bi. Onua ba ko bi tie de meka no. Abusuapanyin ene onua ba ko bi. Ene e de ko hwe body me ti ho omo amfre me. Me nana ba ko di akire. Odi akire ti say John the Mark. Emra ye bua Yesu Kristo you know for Mark asuafo ni na Mark ne tim kwa yimfi odi akire sa owura mochiro omo amana ewura mochiro. Like I said, there's something behind. What do you say? Yeah. In fact, some man is saying, "What you are born who? Hypocrisy. Yeah, hypocrisy. Because we pass him says, "Yana cast a family yamia." Who crowd with a beho? I bought assume myself said it was sent back to us a family yamia. It's similar. He's trying to slap me. He stuck my back.
Daddy Lumba upon him. Na the kind of you was macram.
E makramo enyum kra no akofa asem aba no obonyum what is obo Abusuapanyin bi din
Dabi.
eso no ne yaka eni nyina sabsa bi ebu ani agusu na chenchina wo pese okosi e wo fast just like that oni nkrofo obi ka busy bodies outsiders na ma form kuo ne niema na mu twa ntoma ne niema sa ne ye no ah never omni on me say me kwata no hwa no me ma dwene ne nyi se niema ntie bia na omo abum afa so e na me ka say me ne omo kohia ankran omo ma me di kan e ka say me ni kan no omo but not knowing say so omo take some weeks ayo omo niema what do you say why not I'm playing when I'm saying the truth I'm not afraid. Yeah, Abusuapanyin, you know, and then the outside bodies, you know, all those busy bodies, they are forming something. Yeah, they are getting something from behind. That's it. Oh yeah, me mami nuya ba. Yeah, me mami nuya.
Kwani mote.
Tie, me mami nuya. Eye me mami. Mami abra be hini. Onuya. Eba. Oh no mami no omo mami na ye penny e na me mami ye last born omo ye nua no miensa nti Abusuapanyin ni mami na ye penny e na ba ku di mfimfi na me mami abra be hini na ye den abra be hini na wo amisa e na owo Georgina e na owo me ofaya poku mami ko papa ko toti ase nti Abusuapanyin ni line nko ye nyina ye abusua but omo line nko toti ase nti na ma ya aggressive no. Yes. Ye nye moja kan wo fa ya poku ode bebo onyom no. Afia son abusua di nhyiamu metumani a antikoni ne ya amesa no. Georgina Jamfi. Eye me ye mimi di na chi no. E na wo fa ya poku. Mimi nie ba me akwantuo ni nti. Na nsɛmsɛm no kɔ so na me di ha. Ye nti na me di aye silent. Wo fa kan me ofa ba ko Entina me se me mpene no se entina nka me bufu ya wo mo se me mra bonten no because no mo hwa me na me ka ebem yeah mo de memra mi so se me ka mo de mane mra
Ofa na ya ti say
mo manimu a mo hwa manimu yi ma me nkwa na nimu mba me si fam
Ofa me si fam ofatenam ni ni ko
Mari tinam me ensi ofa ensi onim
na wo ne hwan
ensi
o ne darling
ani mecho man
hello
ofa tie de meka enra me ba cho nyabotre enra ya wu se Roman father de no friend wu se Lumba manager ya wu se wakọ pambo ama bi mu se wakọma ne card se 6 December eye ni be ba so se na wo ka fa ho
oh na meka bebre ba mi kan monte mi se ya hwehwe mu anhu de kum Lumba mi si su ton ya hwehwe mu anhu de kum Lumba eye na ye de ma so e ba so kra ma so
okay it's na card na wo chere de wo chere ni card
oh so no selfish interest.
Otumfuo has shown that he is a great king in Ghana. That's the greatest king. I think we should give the whole Ghana to Otumfuo so that Otumfuo will rule all of us. That's my mindset, because if we give the country, Ghana, to Otumfuo, Otumfuo will better our country. Because the wisdom in which he has, the way he talks, the authority, the mandate upon him is above imagination, and it has been ordained by God. So all we have to do is just to have joy within ourselves, and we have to make sure that everything that we are going to do as individuals, we have to think about it before we do. We should not let anything pressure us. Don't let anyone pressure you to do something. Immediately someone pressure you to do something, that means you are not yourself. You can just be relaxing and be listening to the person and also be tailoring with the person so that the person will be at ease. But don't let anyone pressure you. Why am I talking about pressure? Because a lot of things has been unveiled. A lot of things has been seen. And right now, Daddy Lumba's wives, so far as peace has prevailed from Daddy Lumba's sister and Abusuapanyin, and I really know that both wives, the first wife and the second wife, or allegedly side chick, everything is going to be okay. It's very peaceful and it's very lovely. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you another time.